The first thing that you'll need to do is to record the introduction to the lesson plan. And the best way to do this is to find an adult in the school that kids are likely to know and to find somebody who can speak in the way that the kids at your school actually talk. So you'll see that there is going to be some text in the lesson plan itself, and that's definitely something to stick really close to. But you can always, and you really should, make it developmentally appropriate for the age level of the students that you're working with. And you'll see an example of how I kind of do this for about a fourth grade audience in the next little section here. Hello, Jefferson Jaguars. We are here in the hallway today where we are going to practice the skills of self-control, teamwork, accountability, and respect. And we are doing this so that we can become equipped to build the future that we want for ourselves and the world, even beginning here in the hallway. And we'll know that we got this right when we can develop these skills and think of more examples of how to practice self-control, teamwork, accountability, and respect. Step 2 is to record students demonstrating the example, non-example, and almost but not quite example for each value. Now, I've just done self-control in the hallway here, but of course you're going to need to go through all of the other examples, non-example, and almost but not quite for each of the values that you've got in the lesson plan, or at least as many that you want to demonstrate on video. The next step is to record audio files of the examples, and you'll use the text from the lesson plan. You'll notice in the previous section, all you saw was me just demonstrating what the text said to do. The next step is where you get the voiceover text that we can lay over on top to explain what we want students to do, what we'd rather not see, and then what is almost, but not quite what we want to see happen in the hallways. I walk with my hands at my sides and feet moving slowly. I run super fast, like I'm in a race, and bump into people. I walk fast and almost run, but I stop when I remember the rule. The last thing that we'll need to do is to record the conclusion of the lesson plan. And ideally, we're going to stick real close to the text that's in the lesson plan itself. Thank you for practicing self-control, teamwork, accountability, and respect. At Jefferson Primary, this is who we are and what we do. And then the last thing that you need to do is just share all the video and audio files with TGS Educational Consulting. And then we'll put them together for you to make an amazing video PBIS lesson plan to help your students live your values out loud.